What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Fish Tank. I am Cole, and today we are taking part in the Four Horsemen's, June build-off. And the theme of this build-off is a GMC Cyclone that reminds you of grandfather's pickup truck. So this is what we're starting with. It's a pretty started project. Luckily, when I got invited to do this invite with everybody, I found out that we were doing this truck. I was planning on doing this truck something different, but luckily this came to my attention and I am changing my mind. So we are pretty much starting with a blank canvas here and we're going to jump into it. So just a fair warning, guys, this is going to be a before and after video. So what you guys see here is what you're going to see, and after is going to be the final result. Sadly, this build, I kind of lost track of time, and sadly I didn't have enough time to videotape everything I'm going to do, but I promise for the later videos this summer, we are going to videotape everything to show you like a normal video. So don't worry, guys, this is just going to be a little different this time around just because of time and me kind of slacking, to be honest. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you momentarily. And guys, here is our final results for the June Four Horseman build. And this is what we did, guys. So as you see here, a lot of custom work was done. If you can look down here, there's custom suspension, different wheels, faded and worn out paint. Details were done, and there is a little bit of rust effect. We also added a paint to the timing cover, and we put a square wheel back there, as you might be able to see right there, and we added wood spokes. So the whole design aspect of this truck is what I think of a simple truck a old guy would have, and that is just an old work truck. So that is the design I went with. Slightly lifted, worn out old paint, and he's been using it for ever since he bought it. So that's what we got here. Also, we did do a custom exhaust, if you do see that, so that is a cool little feature. I want to thank the Four Horsemen for making me the star guest of the show this month. I do appreciate it. This was a really fun build. I had a lot of fun with it. This one was kind of a no-brainer. I thought it was going to be tricky, but believe it or not, it turned out to be very, very simple. Not simple, but very, very fun. And I hope they will make me a part or a special guest of another build coming soon. Can't wait to see your guys' builds out there, and have a fantastic weekend, or day. I will see you guys shortly. Bye, guys.